Hi everybody, today we're going to open a Barbie flying kitty. So it's actually cute, but let you see the back. Once you press the button, the kitty actually flies. But do you see it? Are you ready to see it? Yes! Alright, let's open it up. Sorry, kids.
Too close.
Whoa. Whoa.
What is this?
Whoa. Let's see what we can do with this. Oh, I find out a problem because there's tape. Maybe they don't want you to open it. I remember all my videos you can't open it. No, all my videos. I don't want to, so that's why there's blind bags that are a mystery. They don't want you to know what it is. But if you know that show, that'll be the thing you like. If you don't like that show, oh, I see the chat. I see something.
Let's see what you see.
Oh!
Oh my lord!
Oh my lord!
Let's see. Maybe I'll just scissor, or you can pull it.
I have an idea. So I'm a girl doing a toy review. So did you know if you're opening a toy, making videos, it's called toy reviews. Like they're called toy reviews. They're actually called toy reviews.
Tell you what, I need a little scissor. You want to bring a little scissor to cut?
Yeah, don't pause it. Don't.
Okay.
Because I just want to make one video. I'll be right back.
Hurry up. It's hard to get these things.
I'm naked!
Okay.
Here.
Thank you.
Do you know why I'm saying I'm naked so much, guys?
Okay, don't say it on the video though. That's goofy.
Because I like being naked.
Alright. This video we're not gonna post if it's goofy like that.
Okay.
That needs an adult to help you with all these knickknacks.
If you're a teenager that likes it,
I guess you could do it by yourself.
Yeah. But if you're not a teenager, you need adults for helping. Like, I have a best friend that changed a name. Shine.
She's not a teenager, though.
Yeah, she's not. Like, my new toy.
A lot of work.
I don't think it's gonna work. That's tape.
Lots of work. But underneath the tape, they again have something. Oh, it's coming out. Good.
This is
A few more. Ooh, what's this, Skylar? It's like
I think it's a checklist. Let's open it up.
you open that until.
Alright. Let's see it. I think this is a checklist. The ones that you
I
can
think
get.
we're done.
Oh, thanks. I'm just gonna check. I'm just gonna look at this. I didn't see inside. I'm
Goodness.
still looking at it. Oh, it's showing you if you don't know what to do.
Okay, Skylar.
But now I know. But let's take them out. Oh.
That's okay now. You just pull it open, please. Pull this open. No.
What?
Okay. Now open this. Just pull it open.
Oh, right.
Parts there.
That's the cat.
Let me see that.
This is the kitty that flies like
There.
this.
Oh, there it is.
And she's like this. And if you don't know where they go, put the wings on. That's for the fly. She has Princess Luna cover.
Okay, try to take her out, sweetie, before you're putting that apart together. Okay, so pull Barbie out.
Okay.
Ooh. What else? Good heart.
Wow!
Okay.
Alright.
Okay, our part is over.
Alright, soon. Alright, let's click this together. Alright. I don't know the way it is. Oh, I got it. Okay. Then we put this on. I'm really scared.
Does it have battery in it, I wonder?
I think so. I think it doesn't need batteries. I think it only works on electricity.
Well, it needs something, I bet.
Alright, where's the button?
Wait. Oh no, you're knocking your brother's Lego
I can fix it.
Okay, good.
Alright. Because I remember where to go.
Yeah, let's move to the couch.
Okay.
And figure it out. Where's the directions? So the directions say that we need batteries in Barbie.
Oh, first we need to do that.
And then
We're going to make a video. So we need to make another video.
Yeah.
So look, she's bouncing.
Oh, and then she shoots it out? No, you put it in.
Already put it in and
Oh, it's just gonna fly in her hands. I see. When you press that button. Okay, so we need a battery. What kind of batteries does this need, I guess? Let's find out. I think. That's interesting looking. Barbie's super cool. Okay, so we need 4 AAA batteries. We don't have 4.
Whoa.
How's that fit in Barbie? I don't know.
I don't know, AAA.
All right, I guess we have to get back to you later when we get
we're making another video.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.